Yeah, this project's looking at exports to Asian markets, and in particular we're looking at China. Well, we've been monitoring the cool chain for stone fruit from the pack house in Victoria to the export markets in China, and also to some other countries, Singapore and Malaysia. Well, the information that we're gathering from the temperature monitoring is feeding into these DAP models, the decision aid tools, and we're testing different mature fruit at different temperatures to see what effect it has on shelf life and quality, and also on ripening. Different issues between sea freight and air freight. Sea freight is a longer time but a lower temperature, which is good. But for air freight, it's a higher temperature for a shorter time, but then you have a longer shelf life period in the export markets. The kill zone for stone fruit is between 3 degrees and 8 degrees, and every time the temperature of the fruit goes up and down between this zone, it can affect the quality and the shelf life of the fruit. The stone fruit market opened up to China 2 or 3 years ago, and for the quarantine treatment, it's a cold treatment for sea freight, roughly 2 degrees for 3 weeks. The fruit is in transit for between 24 to 29 days, and this appears to be a lot longer than a lot of the exporters anticipate. Generally the temperatures are very good, between 0 and 2 degrees, but the issue is the length of time that it takes to get to the market. Well, generally the shelf life of a stone fruit is somewhere between 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks. So the longer the sea freight just means that there's less time for the fruit to be in market at the other end, so the quality won't be as good. The importers are requesting the growers to harvest fruit at 6 to 8 kilograms of firmness, and it's a little immature, but it helps to withstand the long transit times of the sea freight. The main impact of harvesting stone fruit at high firmness is that some fruit may not ripen to its full potential, and that way the consumer is not experiencing the best quality fruit. Well, we are monitoring the air freight for stone fruit to China and to Singapore and Malaysia. There is a methyl bromide treatment of a set rate, 18 grams per cubic metre, for a set time, 5.5 hours, and that's to satisfy the Chinese quarantine procedures. The main issue with air freight is probably higher temperatures, but only for a short time, maybe up to 10, 11, 12 degrees, but it is only for a short time.